Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on pentagonal projection of pentagonal plane. Okay, so let us read out the problem statement first. What is given? A pentagonal plate ABCDE of 40 mm length with side AB is on HP, inclined at 20 degree to VP. Full stop. Corner D of the plate is in VP and 45 mm above HP. Full stop. Draw the projections of plate and find the inclination of plate with HP. Okay, so very first thing is what? Pentagonal plate having side 40 mm with side AB is on HP. So it is pentagonal plate is resting on HP on side AB. So top view, initially what we will do? We will place complete plate in HP so that top view will be pentagon and front view will be a line view. So what we do? You see, we go for polygon. Number of sides will be 5. Enter polygon by edge. Ortho mode should be on. Okay, so you can put pentagon side is equal to 40. Enter. Okay, this is top view. Okay, then we will put one long horizontal line. Okay, then what we do? Naming will be A B C D E. This is plane A B C D E. Okay, once we have this, then we draw projectors 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 projectors we have drawn. Okay, so I will take point here. I will place point 1, 2 and 3 on projectors. Okay, so this is my line view. I will show it by different color. So this point becomes A dash comma B dash, which is resting edge. This is C dash comma E dash. You see, this is C comma E and this is point D dash. Okay, now theta plane condition is what? Theta plane is not given directly, but thing is you can see whatever thing related to VP is given, this is condition for phi. Okay, so HP resting edge resting on AB and it is inclined at 20 degree to VP. So AB is inclined to VP at angle 20 degree. So phi AB is how much? 20 degree. So this is data for third step. Okay, then corner D is in VP. Again this can be seen in top view. So again this is data for third step. Okay, corner D is in 45, corner D is 45 mm above HP. Then this could be the data for what? Theta plane condition. How it is we will see. देखिए क्या दिया है? You see, I will show it at this side. Okay, सबसे पहले what you need to do is you select all this. You see this line view you are supposed to select. Right click, copy selection from this point to horizontal. I had placed it here. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, तो line view तो आ गया. What next? I need to corner D is at a distance of 45 mm. So what I will do? यहाँ से vertical I will draw 45. Enter. ठीक है, तो this is the line. This is the line. You see, जिसका distance कितना है? You can see distance of line is how much? 45 mm. Distance of line is 45 mm. Now this object has to be rotated in such a way that D dash is there on this line. So how we get it? Very simple. Take a circle. ठीक है, then A dash comma B dash as a center and line view as a radius up to D dash as a radius. ठीक है, so अगर line को rotate किया तो D dash point कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? At this location. ठीक है, so what we need to do is we need to select line like this. You can select line. ठीक है, then right click, rotate. ठीक है, rotate. It is asking for base point, so A dash comma B dash is my base point. ठीक है, ortho mode you can keep it off. कहाँ तक जाएगा ये? At this point you are supposed to click. ओके, तो लाइन को रोटेट कर लिया. ठीक है, एंगल नहीं दिया ये टाइम हमने. क्या किया? वी हैव रोटेटेड एंड वी हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन दिस इंटरसेक्शन. ठीक है, सो दैट दिस विल बी योर थीटा प्लेन. दिस विल बी योर थीटा प्लेन. हाउ मच इट इज? 47 डिग्री. ठीक है, एंड इट इज फाउंड दैट हाइट कितना है ये? हाइट ऑफ दिस एंड पॉइंट डी इज 45 mm. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे यू विल बी इन ए पोजिशन टू गेट this thing. ठीक है, D dash is there at a distance of 45. At the same time, ठीक है, this theta plane is found to be 47 degree. ठीक है, so in this way you will do this task. ठीक है, next thing is what? Draw projectors 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, Once you draw all the projectors, locate all the points. Points are A, B, C, D, E. Then join all the points in sequence. You will be getting top view of plane. ठीक है? तो अब तक क्या क्या satisfy किया? Resting condition. It is resting on edge AB is resting on HP. ठीक है? And point D is 45 mm above HP. ठीक है? Now next task is what? Angle of AB should be what? 20 degree with VP. Now you see, length of AB is not changed, no? As length of AB is not changed, it is equal to 40 mm, then angle phi edge, phi AB has to be taken as it is. How much it is? 20 degree. Okay? And at the same time, corner D is in VP. D is in VP. So how to achieve it? Very simple. You see, first of all, I need to copy this top view. Okay? Along with all the points. Right click, copy selection from this point to, okay, where we need to put it, this one. Very simple. Okay, now once we have this, what next? इसको select करो, ठीक है, right click, rotate. About which point? About point A. ठीक है, angle of AB should be how much? Now see, it has to be rotated in which direction? In clockwise direction only. क्यों मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है. अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट किया तो पॉइंट डी कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? पॉइंट डी विल बी अवे फ्रॉम एक्स वाई. ठीक है, अगर पॉइंट डी एक्स वाई लाइन पे प्लेस करना है, पॉइंट डी हैज टू बी प्लेस्ड इन वीपी, मींस पॉइंट डी हैज टू बी प्लेस्ड इन ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. सो ए बी हैज टू बी रोटेटेड इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन ओनली. ठीक है, तो कितना रोटेट करना पड़ेगा? राइट नाउ एंगल ऑफ ए बी इज हाउ मच? 90. So we need to rotate it by 70 so that angle of AB becomes 20 degree. So 70 रोटेशन का एंगल दिया. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दिस इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये तो ऊपर चला गया. यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट ऑल दिस. ठीक है, यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट ऑल दिस. ठीक है, राइट क्लिक, मूव. कहां से कहां तक? दिस पॉइंट शुड बी देयर ऑन एक्स वाई लाइन. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू मूव and you can find that this thing is how much? Angle of AB is 20 degree. At the same time, point D is there on XY. Okay, now whenever you are rotating object, make sure that you are not rotating letters. We don't need it because you can see वो भी inclined हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, we don't need to make it inclined. ठीक है, तो ABCDE बाद में place करना. First of all, you rotate the object, place corner D on XY line, and then you are supposed to put the naming. ठीक है, okay. So in this way I will be having this thing achieved. AB is making an angle 20 degree and D is there in VP. So next thing is what? Draw projectors 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. ठीक है, once you have all the projectors here, ठीक है, locate all the points. You see A dash will be there at this location. This is A dash. And this projector you'll be getting B dash. Then on this projector you'll be getting C dash. This projector will give you E dash, and D. On this projector you'll be having D dash. Okay, so once you locate all the points, join all the points in sequence. This is okay, so this will be your front view. Okay, so in this problem what we did, pentagonal plane is resting on edge on HP, so resting on AB. Okay, then corner D is 45 mm above XY. Okay, above HP. Okay, then AB is making how much? AB is making 20 degree with what? VP, and point D is in VP. Okay, so in this way we have achieved all the given conditions. So this is your final solution. Okay, I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.